on, guys? My name is Michael and this is
Cody.
In today's video we are reviewing another Amazon bike, I guess. It is a 125 semi-automatic Coolster.
It's dope.
So this thing, right off the bat, it does wheelies. Very easily, right?
I'll compare it to a Honda Grom.
Okay. The dirt bike version or something.
Sure.
A semi-automatic dirt bike version. But yeah, guys, so far Cody's absolutely in love with this thing. We got this from Marissa after she wrecked and messed her handlebars up. And Cody's trying to give her his $250 for this. So, let's just get into a little walk around real quick. Guys, if you aren't subscribed already, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Because we are giving away a dirt bike too. It's semi-automatic, so there is no clutch. It's not a key start either. It's just a straight kick start. Anything special about the bike?
Yeah, I don't feel like there's a weight limit to this bike.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the suspension on it's freaking crazy. Jump a couple times, Cody. It's got great suspension. Cody's about 210 pounds or so, and it does some work.
It's geared differently too, guys.
Oh yeah, let's explain that one to him.
All the way up is neutral. First, second, third, fourth.
Yeah, so it's pretty much backwards with a mix.
Yeah, it's weird. Very weird.
But yeah, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go do a. Do you want to do a speed test first?
I can do that.
Yeah, I'll get out of the way. Alright, we're gonna do a speed test for you guys, and then probably Cody will do a couple wheelies for y'all. And hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. Alright, he's going out for a little speed test. We also got this truck. Bought that yesterday so we could haul the dirt bikes in, among other things. Oh. Is that topped out? 32. That's pretty slow. Easy wheelie. It's got really good acceleration, guys, but the top speed just isn't there. Oh wow, it just shot up the hill.
I got a better one for you. I'm gonna jump that hill.
So he's gonna do it again, but this thing's gonna jump the hill. So let's see it. I'm gonna stand over here so I got a better angle. Almost. It capped down on him. It capped.
Run at it.
Okay, one more.
That was a good one, though, wasn't it?
It's close. Ooh, I thought he was about to go down. You wheelied up the hill instead.
I know, record it. Because I shifted and it wanted to do a wheelie.
Damn. That was nice though. As always, guys, I'm Michael. This is
Cody.
And please like, comment, and subscribe. We did test this one out as you've seen, but this one still goes faster. They're both 125s, but this one's clearly meant for tricks.
Clearly.
But yep. How much was this one? $800, I believe, somewhere around that area. So it's a pretty good purchase if you're wanting to learn how to do wheelies and stuff like that. It definitely makes it a little easier for you. And hope you guys enjoy it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. We're doing more moto vlogs, so yeah, subscribe. That content's gonna be a lot more fun.